Hey everyone, just a video explaining all these golf accessories that I made, designed. uh, First, right here is already on Thingiverse. This is a tee that I designed. I call it the Royal Tee. It's part of a golf project. You can find that, I've linked to that. But main thing on this video is this guy that I designed. He's a divot tool. This in here is a ball mark. It holds your ball mark. This screws in. And then a bottle opener. And then a hole up here for keychain or whatever you want to strap it to. It's pretty cool. I printed mine 100% infill, a lot of shells, just so that the bottle opener works, and it does. I'll demonstrate that here shortly. These are all customizable ball markers. I designed like 6 or 7 to start off with. I'm going to upload a file for the Divot tool, bottle opener, whatever. That's going to have its own site, its own file, and then each individual ball marker will have its own page, site, whatever, because I'm going to add more. This is like 7. I plan on doing like 20, maybe 25. I'll take some requests. So as you can see, here's Punisher. He's really cool. Just a spade. Let's see. Spider-Man, or just Spider, whatever. These are all dual extruded. I also have them for single extrusion, single color, or if you make a Z stop to a color change or whatever you want to do. I have that, but I designed these to be dual extruded mainly. Here's Batman. And these are about 8 millimeters high, right here to here. So they'll fit really anywhere pocket. It's not cumbersome or large. Nike. And then this one's an 8-ball, as you can see, just like this. And then that's your ball mark. And then when you're done with it, you screw it right back into this little tool, and that holds on to it for you. You pick out divots and open a beer, like I'm going to show you right now. So this guy I printed 100% infill. I did about 4 or 5 shells, mainly because I wanted this to have a lot of shells and infill, where the bottle opener is, and also the keychain to make it pretty strong. And I also didn't want the probes for the divot tool to be weak. So 100% infill, 0.2 millimeter, and a lot of shells. And as you can see, I have a beer. And there it is. Open beer.